events you got going on, celebrating all your victories.
Effortless comes to mind when I think about you. Effortless comes to my mind. You know when you walk in the room, it's your time, money on my mind, money on my mind.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, I'm Subrena. If you are not new to this, I hope you're subscribed. If you like today's video, I hope you subscribe as well. So today I'm here with another hair install slash wig review for you guys. So you guys know I'm in my natural slay era, which is probably never going to change at this point. So first of all, I want to give a super huge thank you and shout out to Alipearl hair for sponsoring today's video. So I do have in their V-part wig, and this is in their body wave texture. It's 22 inches long. So if you are a no fuss girl, you already know V-parts or U-part wigs are a low it's very much a low effort style. It's super easy, anyone can do it, but in today's video I wanted to make mine more of a permanent solution to my hair woes, more like a sew-in. So if you guys want to see how I basically turned my V-part wig into a 10-minute sew-in, how you get this natural effortless slay, like either you think this is my hair or you think this is like a slayed sew-in, like woo, and this hair, I love it, I love it, I love it. Okay guys, so all the details for this wig will be in the description box, as well as any coupon codes that I have for you guys. But if you guys want to vibe out, chill, watch me slay this wig, then let's go ahead and get into the video. Again, super huge thank you to Alipearl hair for sponsoring today's video. First of all, shout out to the cutest box ever that your wig and all of your supplies will come in. They do send some goodies over, but I didn't show that. So this is the V-part wig. You can get this unit as a U-part or a V-part wig depending on how much leave out you want to do. It does come in a middle part, but as you can see, you can change the part to whatever side that you like, middle, side part, all of the above. So right here I'm showing you the cap construction. It is a very breathable cap. It comes with 5 clips, 2 on each side and 1 in the center, so your install will be very secure if you decide to use the clips. It also comes with an elastic band that is already attached to the wig for more security, and it also has 3 combs. So it has 1 in the back that you will slide in, as well as the drawstrings to make it tighter, and it also has 2 combs on the side as well to make sure that you have a very snug fit. So this is what I'm starting out with. Again, I'm doing a side part for this install, but literally within like a couple weeks I switched it to a middle part. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen that. Follow me on Instagram. So this is the unit. I did wash the unit when I first got it, deep condition it, and I let it air dry. So that is the natural texture once you wash the hair. And right here, I'm going to show you guys just how easy it is to install. If you are not new to U-part or V-part wigs, you know, literally all you do is just clip this bad boy in, and it's very secure. You just want to make sure that you make your braids small enough so your clips will actually clip. If you make it too big, it will be too bulky to clip in. If you are not a braider, you can honestly just make plaits where the clips are and then just stick it into your plaits as well. So that's a little hack if you're not a braider. So right here, I just clipped it on, and then I'm going on the sides and using the comb to secure it in my braids, and it's a very snug and secure fit with the clips. So if you truly want it to be removable, you're good to go. So again, on my end, I want to make this more of a permanent style on my head. So I did go ahead and remove the clips, and I'm going to sew on my U-part wig. And I'm basically going to sew it onto the anchor braids that you just saw me clip my hair in. So I think this option is really great for people who do want more of a permanent style, if you're not really into the clipping in or clipping out, or if you just really want that security to make sure that regardless of what happens, your wig is just not going to get snatched off. Then I think this is a really cool option, especially if you don't necessarily want a full head sew-in, or if you're someone who likes to switch up your style. This way you literally only have to take out the sew-in around the perimeter of your head, and you can just sew on another wig in 10-20 minutes and you're good to go. So after I finished sewing on my hair, and I really only did it to the anchor braid around my parting, I didn't sew it onto the side because I am like recovering from some hair loss. My hair was still a little bit fragile when I was doing this install, so I didn't want to put too much tension, especially on my edges. You know, we're trying to save the hair strands, okay? So I just used the comb to clip it in. But after I did that, I'm just gonna go to my leave-in and basically press those out. I really love this tiny flat iron. It makes it so easy to like really get in your hair, especially the edges, because they're like so tiny and so small. I will leave everything linked below, like both of my flat irons, for anyone that's going to ask. But yeah, I'm just gonna press out my leave out. I also did put some layers in the hair as well, so you will see me doing that just to give it more volume, make the curls pop a little bit more. But yeah, like super easy, so fast, and again, you can like switch this out anytime, and I just love that it makes it more permanent.
Flawless, not like perfect, more like effortless, subconscious. It's like all of the atoms, they coming together to bring us a goddess, chasing a chip, undefeated with a drip. I reckon I never would skip. I know that I tripped and I almost fell into a pit, but I'm trying to get back on the tip of the top, tip of the iceberg, cause I'm trying to be cool with you. Ice cold, driving a coupe with you. That's just a vision I have, and I take you to destinations that you need to be. Attending events you got going on, celebrating all your victories.
Effortless comes to mind when I think about you. Effortless comes to my mind. You know when you walk in a room, it's your time, money on my mind, money on my mind. I could give you every clue, but you don't need so much.
Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I'm loving it. Definitely love the more permanent solution. It forces me to literally always have my hair done, because one thing about Subrena, if it can be removed, she's gonna take it off. She's gonna take it off every single time. She's gonna take it off. So this is a more permanent solution, always having my hair done. But I'm loving this personally, because if you are like me, I do think I'm one of those people who will have like traction alopecia. So anything that is like too strenuous on your hair, too tight, it's just not working out. So like a full-blown sew-in would just not work for me. It would agitate my scalp. It would just be too much. So I love this as a sew-in dupe. It's super quick. I literally can do this in 10 minutes or less if I'm like if I'm really in there, you know. But 10 minutes, I have a full head already done, and it's slayed, it's laid. Like, this is perfection. This is perfection. So yeah, so if you guys like this install, definitely make sure you give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel out. We're trying to grow over here, y'all, okay? So really quick, let's get into this hair. First of all, super soft, super silky. Again, I did freshly wash this hair when I receive it. Did not dye it, which I love. I typically dye my hair black. I haven't dyed my hair in a while, so it's like a natural black color. But as you can see, the blend is impeccable with the color. And you guys know virgin hair, usually, you know, it's always that super brown #2 color. I love that this was so deep and rich and like a true natural black, because skipping the dyeing process is chef's kiss. And also, you know, you truly get to maintain the integrity of it, the hair, without dyeing it. So I already know this is bae. Like, this wig is bae. No, none of y'all can have it. Family, friends, don't come asking me for this wig. This is mine. She's here to stay. Okay. Because she's beautiful. She feels so good. I love the density. I remember I used to always get 180% density because I was like, oh my gosh, just too much hair. But no, I'm officially a 250% density girl, because it sounded like so much, but it's really not a lot. It's just, it's perfect. Like, you know, you can get the body that you like. It's not too thin. And then honestly, this hair is very light as well. And I think that's what I was really scared of when I heard 250% density. I just kept imagining something being very heavy, but no. But y'all just look at the, like, who, what do you mean this is not my hair? What do you mean this is not my hair? I haven't had like super long hair in a while, especially after I got my bob. So this feels very different. Even when I had hair, I feel like it was 20 inches, but it was like on the shorter 20, so it'd be like here. But no, I'm loving this. So I'm trying to think what else. That's really it. Okay, all right, bye.